Hello there! Today we're gonna buff your play with AOC.
Wow, so chill!
Hey, just kidding guys. So of course this is an unboxing video we got to unbox. So right here with me I have the AOC Ag493Ucx 49. It is a 49-inch gaming monitor.
Wow, 49-inch!
Okay, so let's go and unbox right now. The AOC Ag493Ucx 49. This monitor has an aspect ratio of 32:9, which is exactly the same as having two 27-inch screens side by side. It is designed to replace a multi-screen setup for a massive wide view. With 120Hz 1ms refresh rate with no visible screen blur, and adding on adaptive sync, there shall be no screen tearing, ensuring the monitor's refresh rate is always synced with your processor. The monitor itself has also a power delivery of 65 watts, which carries both the power and display signal with data to the screen in just one simple cable, just by plugging in to the USB-C port. So for picture-by-picture, it allows you to plug in different PC sources onto your screen at once, allowing you to work on multiple projects at the same time. In short, VESA certified DisplayHDR 400 delivers a significant step up from the normal SDR display, with global dimming and peak brightness up to 400 nits, giving you a deeper and fuller palette of rich colors, delivering a visual experience that engages your senses. With all these perks, it's no surprise that this monitor is the professional standard for esports gaming.
Wow, esports!